Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to delete server on Discord app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. We're gonna start by opening up your Discord app. Once you open up your Discord, you're gonna have on this main screen right here. Make sure you look in the upper left hand corner. We're gonna see a message right there. Then you're gonna see a Discord app right there. Your Discord app. Then once you see a Discord app, tap on that. Then make sure you look in the upper right hand corner. We're gonna see the menu, the three dot right there. The three white dot. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Then once you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you look to the middle of your screen right there where it says settings. Tap on settings right there. Settings, tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive on this main screen right here, make sure you tap where it says overview. Right there, tap where it says overview right there. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive on this main screen right here, just scroll a little bit down until you see where it says delete server right there. Tap on that. Then they're gonna ask you, are you sure you want to delete server? Make sure to tap yes. Then you can put any reason that you want to, or just tap something like that. And that's how you delete server on Discord app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.